Disciplined, focused, prepared, qualified, motivated.
Sovereignty of God. Aren't you grateful for the testimony? But doesn't it whet your appetite to want to see it for yourself? What you are and what you become depends on how you use your time.
There are three men in your life that you pray for: your father, your husband, your son. As a woman, interceding for your father, interceding for your husband, interceding for your sons. The Bible says if a man cannot rule well his own household, cannot rule in the kingdom. All right? Even a woman, if you don't take household responsibility serious, you will not have the initial down payment to step into kingdom responsibilities and assignments. If you are good with pray for your husband, good with pray for your sons as a woman, when you handle the church, forget it. The move of God, is stepping by. Because you're already trained by taking assignment seriously.
Blessed, prosperous, redeemed, forgiven, healthy, whole, talented, creative, confident, secure. Get up in the morning and invite good things into your life. I am blessed. I am strong. I am talented. I am disciplined. I am focused. I am prosperous. Take what you have and make the most of it. God made you like you are on purpose. He gave you your looks, your height, your skin color, your nose, your personality. Nothing about you is by accident.
Package yourself physically, but spiritually, emotionally, mentally is zero. Who you want to marry, become that person. I want to marry a guy who is so, oh my God, he's so kind. Are you kind? Next question. See, I want to marry a guy who is so spiritually sound. Are you spiritually sound? Build your character. You see, character is something that is lacking in today's world. We just click, we just vibe. Look for kindness, and you yourself be a kind person. And character is only built in a season where nobody is watching. David was in the field building his character, and so when it was time for him to be anointed, God had already worked on him. Now is the time to build your character.
I prayed for 5 years, I prayed for 7 years, I prayed for 3 years, and all of that. That they share their experiences. You shouldn't now make their experience become your prayer standard. Because you see, no matter how much you pray or pray in the way they pray, you may never become like them. Because you see, the Lord shows mercy to whom He will show mercy to. Oh, the race is not to the swift, but to the one He shows mercy. And everyone is not the same. Most importantly, you must know the will of God for your own life. Not everyone has been given the same ability. So what is the will of God regarding your life? Who are you through the lens of God?